Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video. So in this video I have the all new Infinix Smart 8, and guys, and this is a new entry level budget phone from Infinix, and this phone is costing around 23,000 PKR here in the Pakistan market. So in this price range we are getting a 90Hz with a punch hole on this phone. Also we have 64 GB of internal storage with a 3 GB of RAM, and this phone also has a magic ring which is like a dynamic island. So on the bottom it says, and the color I have is the timber black color. This phone is also manufactured in Pakistan also, and this is the cheapest smartphone that has a 90Hz with a punch hole display. We also have 5000 mAh battery size with USB type C, which is a really good thing. We also have a 200% volume feature. We have 13 megapixel dual cameras with ring LED flash. Also we have fingerprint scanner inside this phone, and this phone is powered by Unisoc D606 SoC, which is a really decent SoC I would say in this price range. And this phone is running on Android T edition, which is like a lighter version of the original Infinix XOS. So now let's quickly unbox the Infinix Smart 8, and this phone is priced really well I would say here in the Pakistan market, although this phone is selling at 28,000 PKR. Because the demand of this phone it is really high, that is why this phone is selling above the invoice rate. So here's the box. Now let's remove that seal, open the box. So on the top we are getting our Infinix Smart 8 again, and these are the main highlighting feature of the Infinix Smart 8. Now I'm gonna just put the side here, and now let's see what else we get and then the phone. So inside the box, as you can see, we're getting almost everything. So the first thing, we're getting a charger, and guys, and this is a 10 watt normal charger. We don't have any 18 watt fast charging support, which is acceptable. Although we have a USB type C. Here is our submission tool, and inside there, here is our 1-year warranty card. We also get a case, which is a hard case. So now let's put all these things to the side, and here is the Infinix Smart 8. Now let's start the phone from this wrapper. Here is the black color looks like. As you can see on the back we have a matte finish. On the back we have dual cameras. We have 13 megapixel main. Then we have a depth sensor. The back is made up of plastic as well as the frame of this phone. Overall this phone looks really premium I would say. Also this phone feels really light, although we have 5000 mAh battery size. Now let's quickly boot this phone up. And now let's see the physical overview of this phone. And you can see we have Android Go edition software. So on the bottom we have our speaker, USB-C port, main microphone, headphone jack, and on this side we have our SIM tray. And now look at the SIM tray. So you can see you can use one micro SD card with the 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full size SIM slot. Also inside the SIM tray we also have a rubber gasket, which is a really nice thing. So on the top we have absolutely nothing, and on this side we have volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on button in which we also have fingerprint scanner. So on the back we have a dual cameras. Again we have 13 megapixel main camera, then we have a 1 megapixel which is a depth sensor. We also have a ring LED flash, and this phone has a 6.6 inch 720p plus IPS LCD display with 90Hz refresh rate again, and this is the cheapest smartphone here in the Pakistan market that gave you a 90Hz IPS LCD display with a center punch hole on the top. We also have 5000 mAh battery size. So every single thing about the Infinix Smart 8, it is really surprised me. So anyways, now let's quickly set up this phone up and then we will continue. And guys, here's the first boot of the Infinix Smart 8. And guys, in the first impression about the display quality, this phone has a really decent display. So here is a max brightness, and the display looks really bright, especially for indoors, so we don't have any issue, especially in indoors. Here is the notification panel looks like. This phone feels really smooth I would say. And now let's go my phone. This phone is running on Android 13, as you can see, with XOS version 13. We have a lighter version of the XOS. We have 64 GB of internal storage out of 10.42 GB it is already used. And now let's see the fingerprint scanner. And the fingerprint scanner, it works, as you can see, it is not the fastest. It's a refresh rate, so on default it is on auto. Now let's go 90Hz, and now let's look at the camera. can see in the camera it is open up not really fast, which is acceptable. but we have 13 megapixel. Here is the video mode, and the back camera maximum shoot full HD at 30 fps. Here is the short video mode, and here is the beauty mode. Here is the portrait mode. Super night mode also available, which I did not expect that. Let's go right there. We also have a slow motion, we also have AR shot, we also have panorama. So all those things it is available. And now let's see the selfie camera. This phone has a 8 megapixel, and 8 megapixel looks really decent. And the front camera also shoot full HD at 30 fps, so no issue regarding the front facing cameras, and the colors looks really natural, I would say, not really sharp actually. Here's the beauty mode, portrait mode, and super night mode also available. And now let's talk about the battery size. Again, this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size with a 10 watt normal charging, and this phone should give you at least 1 day of battery life on heavy use without any problem. Overall, I have to say I'm really impressed by the Infinix Smart 8. If you need a smartphone in this price range, yes, I definitely recommend the Infinix Smart 8. This phone has everything that you need in a smartphone, in an entry level smartphone, I would say. That's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Infinix Smart 8. And do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram as well as on X, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.